The world is abuzz with talk of artificial intelligence. AI is rapidly changing many aspects of our lives. Content creation is no exception. New AI tools can generate written, audio, and visual content with remarkable ease. This has sparked excitement, debate, and even fear about the future of content creation. Some people embrace these tools as powerful allies, others worry about the implications for human creativity and employment. One thing is certain: AI content is here to stay. Its impact on how we consume and create information will only grow. Understanding both the benefits and limitations of AI is crucial. We must navigate this new landscape thoughtfully and responsibly. The choices we make today will shape the future of content creation for generations to come. The most significant advantage of AI content creation is its sheer speed. AI tools can generate content at a pace unimaginable for human writers, artists, or musicians. What might take a human hours or even days to create, AI can often produce in minutes or even seconds. This speed allows for unprecedented scalability in content production. Businesses can utilize AI to generate massive volumes of content. This includes marketing materials, social media posts, product descriptions, and more. This rapid, large-scale output enables businesses to reach wider audiences. They can keep their online presence constantly updated. For individuals, AI tools offer the ability to generate creative content quickly and easily. This frees up time and energy for other tasks. Despite the impressive capabilities of AI, it's crucial to recognize its limitations. The most significant drawback of AI-generated content is its lack of true creativity and originality. While AI can mimic existing styles and patterns, it struggles to produce truly novel or innovative work. AI relies on algorithms and pre-existing data to generate content. This means it often lacks the spark of human ingenuity and imagination. Human creativity stems from lived experiences, emotions, and a deep understanding of the world. AI, at least in its current form, cannot replicate these qualities. This limits its ability to create content that is truly moving, thought-provoking, or groundbreaking. Let's compare a piece of writing generated by a human to one created by AI. Imagine the topic is the importance of family. Family. It's the laughter echoing through the house during holidays, the comforting presence during times of grief, the unwavering support system that helps us navigate life's uncertainties. Family is the anchor that keeps us grounded, the warm embrace that welcomes us home no matter how far we've strayed. Family is a social unit, typically consisting of parents and their children. It plays a vital role in providing emotional support, socialization, and economic security for its members. Strong family bonds are crucial for individual well-being and societal stability. The human written piece is filled with emotion, vivid imagery, and a deep understanding of the complexities of family relationships. The AI-generated piece, while factually accurate, lacks the emotional depth and nuance that make the human writing resonate. Section 5. The rise of AI YouTubers. The rise of AI-generated content is particularly evident on platforms like YouTube. AI-powered channels are emerging, featuring virtual avatars that present a range of content. These channels cover topics from educational tutorials and news summaries to entertainment and comedy. The avatars are often surprisingly realistic. They can be customized to have distinct personalities and appearances. This technology raises intriguing questions about the future of content creation and consumption. Will audiences embrace these virtual personalities? Will AI YouTubers eventually rival or even surpass the popularity of human creators? The answers remain to be seen. However, the rapid development and growing sophistication of AI YouTubers is a testament to the evolving landscape of online content. Section 6. Search engines adapt. The case of Google SGE. The proliferation of AI-generated content has significant implications for search engines like Google. Google's mission is to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. However, the influx of AI content presents a challenge. How can search engines distinguish between high-quality human-created content and content that is simply generated by algorithms? Google has responded to this challenge with initiatives like its Search Generative Experience, or SGE. SGE leverages AI to understand the intent behind user queries better. It aims to provide more comprehensive and nuanced search results. SGE can identify and prioritize content that demonstrates expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. This helps ensure that users are presented with the most relevant and reliable information, regardless of whether it was created by a human or AI. Section 7. Is AI content good enough? The question of whether AI content is good enough is complex and depends on the specific context. For tasks that require speed, efficiency, and factual accuracy, AI can be an invaluable tool. It can generate reports, summaries, and other types of content quickly and effectively. However, for content that demands creativity, originality, and emotional depth, human creators still hold a significant advantage. AI can be a valuable assistant, helping with research, outlining, and even generating initial drafts. However, the human touch remains essential for crafting content that truly resonates with audiences. The ability to connect on an emotional level, to tell compelling stories, and to offer unique perspectives is something that AI has yet to master. Section 8. Where human ingenuity prevails. There are several areas where human creativity continues to outshine AI. These include storytelling. Humans are natural storytellers. We can weave narratives that captivate, inspire, and move audiences. AI, while capable of generating basic plots, lacks the nuance and understanding of human emotions needed to craft truly compelling stories. Humor. Humor is subjective and often relies on cultural context, wordplay, and a keen understanding of human psychology. While AI can generate puns or simple jokes, it struggles with more sophisticated forms of humor, critical thinking and analysis. Humans excel at critical thinking, analyzing information from multiple perspectives and forming well-reasoned arguments. AI can process information quickly, but it often struggles to engage in deep, nuanced analysis. Section 9. The future belongs to the hybrids. The future of content creation is not about humans versus machines. It's about humans and machines working together. The most successful creators will be those who can harness the power of AI while retaining the unique qualities that make us human. By embracing AI as a tool for amplification and augmentation, we can unlock new levels of creativity, efficiency, and reach. This collaborative approach will allow us to focus on what we do best, thinking critically, imagining new possibilities, and connecting with audiences on a deeper level. The future of content creation is bright, filled with opportunities for those who embrace the potential of this powerful partnership between human ingenuity and artificial intelligence.